let us start with trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the heights of the buildings, angle of elevation from the ground to the building, angle of depression from the building to the down on the ground, etc. we can deal with. So in trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometry ratios. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cotangent theta. What are those? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cotangent theta. So let me write down that. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cotangent theta I write as cot theta. 6 trigonometric ratios if you write down that, then you have to remember one slogan. What is that? OH, AH, OA. What is this? Sin theta is equal to OH, cos theta is equal to AH, tan theta is equal to OA. What is it? OH, AH, OA. You will understand only if I draw a right angled triangle. So whenever I deal with trigonometry, first I have to be ready with a right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, one angle is 90. And what is the side opposite to 90 degrees called? Hypotenuse. So, in right angled triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So then what is the hypotenuse? AC. So this is called hypotenuse. Suppose I take C as theta, then AB is the opposite side and BC is called adjacent side. So there are 3 sides: hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side. So my slogan depends on these 3 sides. OH. What is the meaning of OH? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is AH? Adjacent by hypotenuse. And what is tan theta? OA. What is OA? Opposite by adjacent. Now what about this cosecant theta? Why did I write down here only? Cosecant theta is just reciprocal of sin theta. What is that then? HO. What is secant theta? Secant theta is HA. What is cot theta? AO. So if it is OH, AH, OA, this one is HO, HA and AO. So let me repeat how to write down the 6 trigonometric ratios in order: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. What is the slogan you have to remember? OH, AH, OA. If you remember that, next one is just reciprocal of all these 3. What is that? HO, HA, AO. And now we all can see. What is sin theta? Sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta. So I can write down sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So what I say? Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta or secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Is this much clear to you all? Yes. So next is, I can also say tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That much you have to remember. But how to remember this? Very easy. Tan. So sin comes first. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So when cot is there, cos comes first. When tan is there, sin comes first. So tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta cos theta by sin theta. One more hint, let me tell you. Cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Which is the third letter in cosecant theta? Yes. So yes is 1 by sin. Secant theta, what is the third letter? C. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos. Cot, what is the third letter? T. So cot is equal to 1 by tan. I hope that you have understood this much very clearly. Is it clear? So let me continue. So in this picture, what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is that opposite? AB by AC. What is cos theta? AH. BC by AC. What is tan theta? OA. AB by BC. So very easily you can say what is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta HO. AC by AB. AC by BC. BC by AB. Right? So after knowing this, let me give one or two problems based on this. Is this clear? Yes, we'll go to some of the problems. Suppose I say sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. You remember always whenever we give the problem, hypotenuse is the longest side. So OH. So 3 by 5. So how can I write down sin theta is equal to 3 by 5? As soon as I give this problem, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Find all the other trigonometric ratios. So I have to draw a right angle triangle first. ABC. Right angle at B. And this theta can be any way A and C other than 90 degree. So let me write down theta here. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? AB by AC. AB by AC. So sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is AB is 3, this is 5. Now we can find out the value of BC. How can we find out using Pythagoras theorem? What Pythagoras says? The square over the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. According to that, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus BC square. So what is 5 square? 25 is equal to 9 plus BC square. So BC square is equal to 25 minus 9. 16 is equal to BC square. Therefore BC is equal to 4. So now we can write all the 6 trigonometric functions. So what they have given, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. With that data, we have found out what is the value of BC. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse AH is equal to 4 by 5. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to OA, opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite by adjacent? 3 by 4. Likewise, I can write down what is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is HO, right? HO. And secant theta is HA. Cot theta is AB. So I can write down the values very easily. 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 5 by 4 and 4 by 3. Is it clear? Any doubts? No. Now let me give one more problem to you. Suppose they give the problem like this. 13 cos theta is equal to 5. If they give like that, and they may ask you anything, either 6 or the other 5 trigonometric functions, or some sin square theta plus cos square theta. Anything they may give you, we can find out. So let me tell you how to find out. Suppose they give you 13 cos theta is equal to 5. What is the next step? Therefore, cos theta is equal to 5 divided by 13. Here it is multiplied, here it is divided. So, immediately let me draw a right-angled triangle. Right-angled at anyway, here let me draw at right-angled at B. Now, I can take theta anyway. So, again, try to understand. This is hypotenuse and that is the biggest side. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. And what theta they have given? Cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is AH. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. How much? 5 by 13. 5 by 13. So, my aim is to find out what is AB. So, again let us use Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, 13 square is equal to AB square plus 5 square, or AB square is equal to 13 square is 169 minus 25. AB square is equal to 144. So, AB is equal to square root of 144 is 12. Once I know this side, I can write down all the other trigonometric ratios. Let me tell you, what is sin theta? Sin theta OH, opposite by hypotenuse, 12 by 13. Cos theta they have given. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to OA, opposite by adjacent. So, what is opposite by adjacent? 12 by 5. So, once I know sin theta, I know cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? HO, 13 by 12. What is secant theta? 13 by 5. What is cot theta? 5 by 12. So, suppose they give you after that, find the value of sin theta minus cos theta or sin square theta plus cos square theta. Any value you can find out once you know the value of all these. Did you all understand? Yes. So, this is my first class of introduction of trigonometry. In the next step, we'll deal with some specific angles.